Despite a reduction in the momentum the Tea Party has created nationally, Hoosier candidates say the group's supporters are making a big impact on their campaigns. WTIU's Jose Riskis reports.
Republican candidate for Senate Dan Coates says last night's Tea Party meeting in Terre Haute was one of the biggest he's seen.
They are the spark that started the fire, that has gotten engaged and gotten people out of their business and out of their homes and out of their churches and out of their neighborhoods to support the principles of the Constitution and get us back on a sensible path.
Coates says Tea Party meetings like last night's indicate the conservative group is alive and well in Indiana. And local candidates, like District's 46 state representative candidate, Republican Bob Heaton, says Tea Party activism will likely give his party a leg up as well. Heaton, who represents the counties along Highway 46, from southern Vigo to Bean Blossom Township in Monroe County, says the group's enthusiasm is encouraging participation from people who had previously not been politically active. Both candidates say job creation is one of the most important issues for voters to consider as they head to the polls in November.